Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will show you how to make this touch on, touch off circuit to control a load, and it is based on the 555 timer and uses very few components. As you can see, only 3 resistors and a transistor. Additionally, we have a relay in order to be able to control large loads, because the 555 has a maximum output of 200 milliamps. By using the relay, we can turn on and off much larger loads. In this example, I am only using a small incandescent lamp, but actually you can connect to the relay a larger charge, 110 volts charge for example, since this circuit of the load is independent of the electronic circuit. We have a separate power source. The circuit uses only 5 volts. We will now see the diagram of the circuit, and then I will show you how it works. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of LCPCB. LCPCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. Here you can see the circuit. We have our 555 timer, couple of resistors, and our relay. As you may know, the 555 timer has its output at pin 3. In this case, the output goes to the base of the transistor, and when the output is high, the transistor turns on, and in turn the relay is activated. Our load, which is a simple incandescent lamp, is connected to the battery, and one terminal of the battery goes to the common of the relay's contact. The other side of the circuit goes to the normally open contact, so when the relay is energized, the contact moves and the circuit is closed, turning on our incandescent lamp. And here we have a touchpad, 2 terminals, and here is another touchpad. One is connected to pin 2 of the timer, which is the trigger. When we touch here, the 555 starts its cycle, and we have an output on pin 3. The relay turns on and our lamp shines. And the other pad is connected to pin 6, which stops the timer when we touch these terminals, deactivating the relay. The whole circuit uses 5 volts, so we should use also a 5 volts relay. And we have a separate circuit independent of the electronic part, which is own battery, but you can also use here mains voltage and the load. So let's now see the circuit in operation. Let me turn on my power supply, 5 volts, which is the voltage that the circuit needs, and in order to turn on our little incandescent lamp, you need to touch these 2 terminals, and to turn off, touch the other 2. There is no risk of shock here, because this part of the circuit only sees the 5 volts from the power supply. This other part is independent, but in this case we are only using 9 volts. However, you can also connect a 120 volts system here, but you will see no risk in this part because here you only have 5 volts. For the touchpads I am using copper tape, but of course you can use, for example, only the wires or any other metal contacts. A very simple circuit, but it works very well. That's all for today. Thanks for coming to my channel. I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one.